What's up, guys? This for you. This guy's garage for I Am Caper. Joe Smith thanks his username. And Maintenance Man and other Joe Smith friends. This is the toolbox in the SVT Ranger. Joe Smith set this up, made it himself. It's run off of like what, 6, 8 AAA batteries, or AA maybe. It's been a few months. Joe Smith found a little light strip real cheap, had some extra sheet metal laying around, made a bracket. Use 3M double-sided automotive adhesive tape to put the strip onto the bracket and then the bracket onto the lid. And then Joe Smith wired it up to the battery pack. Found battery pack and strip on Amazon. And then ran the wires down there. And it's all connected to this puncher switch here. So that way automatically shuts off when the lid's closed. And then when you let go, there the lid opens up, boom. Nice bright light. Of course, box is lockable, got the key in it there. And just in case Joe Smith needs to take the box out to put something bigger in the bed, it is just attached with some big cable ties on each side. Joe Smith can just cut them real fast, pull the box out. Light unit, wires, batteries, everything self-contained, so this will work with the box outside the bed too, because it's all battery powered and it's not connected to the truck wiring at all. So Joe Smith just thought he'd show that off and share that here. Some more glimpses of the SVT Ranger to come. Joe Smith signing out.